Hey everybody, welcome back to NIL. You are with me, Rashika. Well guys, today's video is really special. Why? Because I am gonna talk about the nicknames that you can use to call out your partner. Why I chose this topic? Because love is all about the little things that bring us closer. Giving our loved ones adorable nicknames is a way to express affection, create intimacy and strengthen the bond we share. Join me in this delightful exploration of special names that add an extra touch of sweetness to our relationships. Well guys, this one is for all of you out there, whether you have a partner as of now or not. You can definitely keep this in store for the future. The first one is Butterfingers. Isn't this word cute? This nickname adds a touch of humor and light-heartedness to the relationship, creating a shared joke or inside reference between partners. You can use this nickname, that cute nickname for a partner who may have a tendency to be a little clumsy or prone to dropping things out. Isn't occasional mishaps while expressing affection at the same time cute? Well, I find cute. Well, that takes me to the other word, that is moonshine. Sunshine is really old school word, so let's see moonshine here. It basically symbolizes the radiant and magical presence of your partner in your life. Just like the moonlight illuminates darkness, similarly, they illuminate our life. They definitely create a peaceful and serene atmosphere. So how lovely it would be if we call them moonshine. Alright, so this word is actually very much special. That is because it's called precious. Now after listening this word, you know that when we value a person, we call them precious. It means that he or she is incredibly valuable and irreplaceable in your life. That means you can't just replace him or her at any cost. Basically, that uniqueness and significance, the importance of your partner is truly precious in your eyes. Well, there is another word for the one who thinks that I have my very own pot of gold by my side, or maybe a direct line to Lady Luck, and that word is called lucky charm. I swear, when we have this lucky charm, everything suddenly becomes, that feels that everything is in our favor only. Life is fantastic and fortunate, adventurous. They just sprinkle luck and dash of cuteness to every adventure that goes together. Now, if I talk about those partners who bring sweetness and happiness into our life, just like fresh baked cake, what would you call that partner? Well, he or she can be called as sweet cake. They just have all the right ingredients: love, care, and a pinch of mischief. Life with them is never-ending dessert buffet of joy, laughter, and love. And guys, many of you have this own very personal singer, always ready to sing and create a soundtrack that makes your life more melodic and exciting. Well, in that case, it's called Melody Maker. You just can't resist but start singing along them. That music just captivates your heart and soul. Lucky are those who have this Melody Maker. And that wraps up our delightful exploration of cute nicknames for your partner that gonna be amazing, bringing smiles and giggles for sure. Also, maybe when you will these nicknames with your partner, they will also come up with some creative nickname for you. So do let us know that special nickname that they called you in return in comment section. Wishing you a lifetime filled with love, laughter and endless supply of cute nicknames.